If you want to see all your tasks and schedule in one place, the TickTick Calendar is a great tool to use. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the TickTick Calendar step by step in 2026. First, open the TickTick app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the **calendar* section from the sidebar or bottom navigation menu. The calendar displays all of your scheduled tasks and events by date. You can switch between daily, weekly, monthly, or agenda views to see your schedule in the way that works best for you. To add a new task, click or tap on a date or time slot, then enter the task title, due date, and any additional details such as reminders, priority, or tags. If you already have tasks with due dates, they'll automatically appear on your calendar. You can drag and drop tasks to different dates or times to quickly reschedule them. For a more complete schedule, connect your external calendar if that option is available. This allows you to view your events and tasks together in one place. You can also use filters to display only certain lists, tags, or priorities. This helps you focus on the tasks that matter most without cluttering your calendar. As you complete tasks, mark them as finished directly from the calendar. Your schedule will update automatically, making it easy to track your progress throughout the day. If you need to adjust your plans, simply open any task from the calendar, edit its details, and save your changes. The calendar will instantly reflect the updated schedule. And that's how to use the TickTick Calendar. Once you start planning your tasks with the calendar, staying organized and managing your time becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.